If you're a Grenadian and you have not heard about oxtail before, join me in this video and I'm going to show you how to cook up the most authentic Jamaican oxtail you have ever seen or you have ever tasted. So join me, watch the process, and come along. Let's go. Let's try the feature of the day. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be cooking some rice and peas and some Jamaican oxtail. So I'm a Grenadian cooking Jamaican oxtail, so you can feel free to leave me in the comment to see if I did it right or what did I miss. One thing you wouldn't get me putting in my food is pepper, spicy stuff, because we Grenadian, we don't use spicy stuff. So stay tuned and watch the process. Join me as I cook the most authentic Grenadian food. Delicious. Let's see. So my ingredients, of course, I have my seasonings and my rice. I'm gonna put some rice and peas with it. I have coconut milk. I have my peas and the butter peas seasoning, and of course my oxtail, my darling, and all those good stuff. Getting ready for my rice. Put some water in the pot to boil, and I'm gonna also add coconut milk. Well, my rice, my coconut water isn't there. Now I'm gonna go into my rice and peas seasoning. And I'm also gonna go in with my Maggi. You cannot cook and not have your Maggi. I'm gonna let that boil, so the water is gonna be all seasoned before you put your rice and your peas in there. So, like I said, stay tuned, watch the process. So far, if you're liking the video, you can give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe as well. It's free. And am I doing a good job so far? Am I doing a good job so far? Leave me a comment, let me know. What am I doing? What am I doing wrong? Again, am I Grenadian cooking Jamaican oxtail? So let me know in the comment section, guys. How am I doing so far? I know some people might say I should put coconut also in the oxtail. I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna put a piece of coconut cube in there instead of coconut water. I live in Canada, so we don't have the natural coconut as we has in the Caribbean, but it works still the same. A whole lot of good smelling is up in here. My kitchen smells good. So another trick, guys, if you guys are cooking and you don't have a pressure cooker, then you can always throw a little bit of baking soda in there, just a little bit, because it's gonna be salt. I just sprinkle a little bit of baking soda in there, and that will make your food cook fast. It will soften your meat. It will make your food cook fast. So, like I said, if you don't have a pressure cooker, drop a little bit of baking soda in there, and that will help soften your meat and get it nice and soft fast. Alrighty, this is smelling really good. Like I said, I'm gonna put my coconut cube in there and let that take a time and melt out. So you notice I'm washing my rice in a strainer, so then I don't have to strain out all this water again, give myself double work. So I just washing it in the strainer, so then the water just passes right through it, and again my rice is not sitting there in the dirty water. Let that water drain out. Like I said, it goes right through. Rice and paste coming along, smelling good, looking good. Oxtail coming along, smelling good, looking good. Looks good. Good, man. Very good. Very, very good. Let's try the feature of the day. Very good.